Hi, my name is Santiago. I'm part of ValiDAR, which means to verify in Spanish. We branch off after winning a hackathon in Aleph, pop-up city in Buenos Aires, and we're leveraging change in regulation that's been very recent that allows us to emit certified credentials to individuals after validating their identity. And with this certificate, they're able to sign it, and the signature is going to have the same validity as the handwritten one. So this is very powerful, this is very recent, and we're leveraging this new regulation with Web3 to make this possible. So this is the change in regulation. The important thing is that identification may be done remotely. So this allows us to create an application or a flow within an existing application that after verification, the user is granted an identity and a credential, and with those things they're able to sign. There are also similar regulations in Europe and throughout the world. So this is something that Argentina is it's moving fast, but other regulations are going to catch up. So it's a small market, but it's gonna increase very rapidly. We can see that the growth market for signature is very small currently, but it's gonna explode. It's gonna grow rapidly throughout the few years. So what do we provide that's not existent currently? So there are digital signatures currently, but they are not mobile. They are not remote. Have horrible UI, UX. They are not able to integrate to existing flows, and they have no print validation. So we can fix all this and deliver a 10x improvement on the current solutions. Our plan would be to turn our hackathon project into a fully developed project that's able to verify signatures and emit certificates. We're confident we can deliver in the next few months. Then we can apply our technology within a sandbox in Aleph, which is a special regulation zone that's been created here in Buenos Aires. So we can iterate and do experiments within this special regulation zone. And then once we have that, we have to go to market basically after being certified with government regulation. So again, we're able to develop fast, test in a sandbox, and then be, after that we can go to the regulatory agency and be certified as a certifier. And afterwards we can expand to first Mercosur, and then Latin America and Europe could be. So business model, we can do business to business, to small, large businesses, but also to governmental agencies that need to, of course, sign every day. And we can do to customers, either because they want to simplify a process, and or we can unlock new flows. As an example, it could be we're giving users a wallet, and we're minting them an NFT that validates their identity. So after that, we can give loans, for example, since we know who you are, we know your credit score, we have a wallet, and you can sign those. So there is a lot of possibility, and there are a lot of flows that being created. So this is a simplified version of what we're doing. The client app is gonna create a signature on a backend. We then need to verify that identity, and if the identity is verified, we mint and grant a soul bonded NFT with the credentials, and we utilize the address created for the user as a decentralized identifier. So the user ends up with a wallet through Privy, so they don't even need to store anything like a seed phrase. So they magically get a wallet, and that's deposited with their identity. So we believe this is very powerful, and it's gonna, as a primitive, it's gonna allow us to do a lot of things besides just signing with legal validity. And just one detail on how we are the minting the NFT. So we have a few nodes distributed that use a threshold signature scheme to verify the identity on different places, and then if there's a threshold met throughout the nodes, then we can emit that NFT. So we want to be secure and compliant with the existing regulation, and we are doing so effectively. Myself, Santiago Kami, I'm a medical doctor specialized in informatics. For the past 15 years I've been a coder, and I've been working in Web3 for the past 4 years as a Solidity developer and engineer. And Marco Viravela is a CEO of Ensuro. He's been working and designing the business development side. So thank you for your time, and we appreciate you.